14 ways to rejuvenate your passions this spring. Spring brings the perfect opportunity to shake off your winter doldrums. Get in tune with all the new growth around you and make some positive changes in your life. Try these 14 ways to rejuvenate your passions. Rejuvenating passions in your professional life. Reconnect with former colleagues. If you're feeling more energetic now that the days are getting longer, use that time to look up people you've fallen out of touch with. Strengthen your network. Call up an old coworker to get together for lunch. Learn a new skill. Ask your human resources department about any training programs available in your workplace. Order a catalog from your local community college. Take a course on project management or negotiation skills. Brighten your office. Hang up new wall art or change your computer wallpaper to a new image like colorful birds or a country lane. Pick up a pretty desk lamp at a thrift shop. Switch to a standing desk. Improve your health and boost your energy levels. Stand up while you work. Studies show that you may add an average of 3 years to your life. Edit your resume. Give your resume the once-over. Add in your most recent accomplishments. You'll feel more motivated and better prepared for your next job search or performance evaluation. Be kind to your co-workers. Helping others is the most effective path to happiness. Offer praise generously. Pitch in when you see a co-worker struggling with their workload. Rejuvenating passions in your personal life. Volunteer. Share your high spirits with others in need in your community. Spend a weekend afternoon sorting cans at a neighborhood food bank. Register for a walkathon for your favorite cause. Exercise outdoors. Take a break from the treadmill. Join a softball league or play volleyball on the beach. Browse online for outdoor Tai Chi or yoga classes. Update your look. When you look better, you feel better. Treat yourself to a spa day. If money is tight, give yourself some home treatments like a rose water skin toner or avocado hair conditioner. Tend to your garden. Gardening is good for your body and mind. Mow the lawn and prune trees and shrubs that may have been damaged over the winter. Get ready for your pretty new flower beds. Banish clutter. Give yourself more breathing room. Use spring cleaning as an opportunity to discard things you rarely use. List them for sale online or donate them to a charity shop. Go on a double date. See your partner in new light by going out to dinner with another couple. You'll have fun and discover new ways of interacting. If you're between relationships, organize a group activity where you can meet new people with less pressure than on a conventional date. Unleash your creativity. Make time for creative pursuits. Visit an art museum and really engage with the works. Tour an art supply store for new ideas for craft time with your kids. Build a birdhouse out of wood or from a gourd you grew yourself. Indulge in spring vegetables and fruit. Seasonal produce is one of the greatest pleasures of spring. Whip up a parfait of mixed berries, granola and yogurt. Saute asparagus in garlic and butter. Bake a rhubarb tart for dessert or toss chopped rhubarb with raisins and walnuts for an easy salad. As the temperatures get milder and flowers pop up everywhere, feel your hopes soar. The spring season is the perfect time to welcome more passion into every aspect of your life. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be good to yourself, and stay healthy.